Welcome back to yet another video. And making it to the mix today is Dwayne, as he speaks about his problem that he had in the past and also the problem that Tati had and how proud he is of her. Now stay tuned for the stories in detail, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. In this video, Dwayne explains that he has been through a situation where he was not able to take care of himself. He was not able to feed himself, to clothe himself, and to do anything for himself, just as in the case of Tati. They had similar situation, except that he did not wear diapers. So Dwayne is commending Tati for coming out with her story and for sharing her truth as he sees it. And he is very happy that there is someone that he could relate to, and that he's able to also bring out his truth in his situation. Here is a clip.
Hey, you know what? Yesterday I was watching a video. Hold on. I watched the video yesterday with this girl called Tati Love. And I feel the girl's pain so much. I felt like I had to write on her comment to listen. The same thing you've gone through in your life, I've gone through the same thing. Perhaps if not worse. She couldn't do nothing for herself. And she was just there speaking her truth. And I'm like, oh my God. I felt her pain, you know. She even cried. She cried. I don't know if a lot of you know her. She was a internet sensation like a few years ago. I couldn't do nothing for myself, nothing under the face of the sun. I couldn't even wash myself. I couldn't even feed myself. I couldn't even dress myself. Shit, I barely could even sit up myself. I couldn't even friggin' walk myself. They had to be wheeling me around in a wheelchair. Honestly, everyone who goes through trauma in their life, traumatic or not, can be a testimony of what they've gone through, you know?